Hi friends, let me show you this car camera that I received. In fact, these are two cameras, one a rear camera and a front camera. You get all the accessories to install it, all the instructions, everything. This is the front view camera. This is the actual screen where you are going to see either front or rear images. This is the back rear camera that will help you to park or do any kind of back driving. This is enough cable to install it in your car. This is the lighter energy cable for the camera and all the accessories. So we are going to install it in my car and take a look how it works. Thank you. We install it, friends. This is the back camera. As you can see, it's installed perfectly. The cables run through here. Okay. And we got them through the roof to the main camera. Let's try it. I am going to turn on the car. As you can see, the camera turns on. Okay. There it is. You can change it to have the rear view, the front and rear view, half and half, or just the front view, okay? Front, rear, and I like this one, okay? And let me show you the app. So as you can see, it's a nice camera. You get all the information you need, and it's nicely installed if you follow the instructions, okay? Thank you. This is the actual phone application that you can use. As you can see, you have the same view as the camera, the front and rear views. In this app, you can adjust settings and use it to download the videos and pictures that you take from the actual cameras. You can also use it landscape to take a better view of your camera video. And let me show you that you can access your SD card from the app and see all the clips, all the pictures, everything, all the parking reports, everything that you can film and record with your camera. So this app, it's really useful when you are using this camera set in your car, okay? Also, you have these camera adjustments like the image quality or the time that each clip is filmed or record, 1, 2, or 5 minutes, okay? There are all kind of settings that you can arrange with the app.